Gang, as you can see, we was in a nice little downtrend starting February the 13th, going into February the 14th, Valentine's Day, 2022. We were in a nice little downtrend after seeing the shooting star. This is the highest point price was at February the 11th, February 11th when price made a shooting star pattern. You could have got in, February the 11th as, after seeing the reversal pattern. This is one of our reversal patterns formed after extended uptrend. You'll see a shooting star, bearish engulfing pattern, a black Marubozo pattern, tweezer top, double top, head and shoulder pattern. You'll see candlestick patterns. This is one of our candlestick patterns that we've seen, a shooting star pattern at the top of an uptrend after this extended uptrend. After this uptrend, this major uptrend, from 1821, from about take profit 2 area, because this is about take profit 2 area, all the way to take profit 7 area. Price goes all the way to take profit 7 area, 1865, and then it shows us this shooting star pattern. One of our candlestick patterns, candlesticks start to get smaller and smaller and smaller at the top of take profit 7 area. Now let's know that buyers are losing pressure and sellers are now in control. As you can see, sellers push price all the way back down to 1851 from this high at 1865 all the way down to 1851. So we was in a nice downtrend starting February 13th, all the way down to 1851, 1850, and price was making structures, making, and it started at the high. So start at the high. This is where you could have got in February the 11th, Friday, that last Friday, as as buyers are losing pressure and sellers are coming in for these trades, as they're getting set up for trades, as they're trying to swing trade this and long-term trade this all the way down to 1851. That we're in a nice little downtrend all the way down to 1851 February 13th. We're in a nice little downtrend, and price is making what? Lower lows and lower highs and lower lows and lower highs. Great trade one. Once price makes a lower high at great trade one, it makes a lower low all the way down to 1857, and then makes a lower high to 1859, great trade 2. And once price gets, this is the lowest low. Price made this lower low. This is the lowest low price made February 13th. Once price passed this lower low February 13th, you could have got in for another trade. As we have trade one right here, you could have gotten for another trade as price passed this lower low February 13th. And you could have rode this from 1855 all the way down to 1851. Price gets all 3 trades going on, and once price gets to 1851, boom, get out the trade. Get out the trade, take the profit. We thought price was going to go to take profit 6 as we had our Fibonacci on here. You draw your Fibonacci from the top, from all the way from the highest point all the way down to take profit 6. So we could draw it from here. We could also have drawn it from here all the way down to take profit 6. And this is our 27 extension level right here. Boom, price was consolidating at 0.618, 0.786, 0.618, and 0.5. It was consolidating at these 3 Fibonacci levels, these 4 Fibonacci levels, and went all the way down to 0.382. And it stopped at 0.382. As you can see long black candlesticks. We thought price was going to go to take profit 6. That's why we drew our Fibonacci. As we used the trend lines, the Fibonacci's, and everything to help us determine which direction price is going in this market. As looking at candlestick patterns can be frustrating. It can be overwhelming. But we use tools and we use everything that the market shows us to help us determine if the market is going, which direction the market is going in. As we're just predicting which direction the market is going in. And as I showed you those videos, as I thought price was going to take profit 6, and I thought we was in a downtrend, and price was just retesting as we're at 1871. Once price got to 1851, price went all the way up to take profit 8, and I'll show you that in a second. But we have Fibonacci here. We thought we was we was in a downtrend. See our trend line, and price and we did get in for a great trade 1 at 1861 and 1859, and at trade one, once price got below this low right here at where this arrow's at, once price got below this arrow, we know we got in for another trade and we rode it all the way down to 1851. And we got out, we got out the trade, as we seen price starting to at 0.382 level, it stopped making black candlesticks, and the black candlesticks stopped getting smaller and smaller. We thought the black candlesticks was going to get larger and larger all the way down to take profit 7, as that's what we were predicting. Price was going to continue making structure, making what? Lower highs and lower lows, making lower highs and lower lows and lower highs and lower lows and lower highs and lower lows all the way down to take profit 7, all the way down to take profit 6, 27 extension. We thought that was going to happen. That's why we draw our Fibonacci tool. We have our trend lines to help us determine which direction price is going at. And we've seen after that, from take profit 7, as sellers got in from 1865, February 11th, all the way to February 13th. We was in a nice downtrend all the way down to 1850, 1851. It stopped right at our 0.382 Fibonacci level. It was consolidating here. You could have gotten for great trade 1 and great trade 2, as it was still making structure, making lower lows and lower highs. But we didn't really see a breakdown into 1851 until it broke through. It broke past this low, this arrow, and it broke past 0.5. Once it breaks past 0.686, it'll go to 0.681, it'll go to 0.618, and then it'll go to 0.5, all the way down to 0.382. Next level is 0, and then 27 extension. It didn't do that. It stopped at 0.382. We see candlesticks, we see smaller candlesticks. We don't see black candlesticks being formed no more. And we stopped seeing candlesticks being formed. And this lets us know that price could reverse. As I knew price could reverse. But we thought price was going to go to our 27 extension level, and it didn't. Price didn't go to our 27 extension level. I'll go back real fast. As price got to our 0.382 level and started consolidating at our 0.382 level before eventually going all the way back up. We see yellow candlesticks, we see momentum, we see smaller candlesticks after this uptrend from take profit 7. Started February 11th all the way down to February 13th, 1851. As soon as 12 o'clock hit February 14th, we see this bullish engulfing pattern, one of our candlestick patterns right here. Also, and we'll go right back into that. We'll see this bullish engulfing pattern, and after we see this bullish engulfing pattern at our 0.382 level, price starts to head back up and goes all the way back up to take profit 8. As you know, this is take profit 8 area right here, and I'll show you that as we back out real fast. It goes all the way to take profit 8, and it reverses back up. Price reverses back up to take profit 8. Boom, it reverses back up to take profit 8. If we scroll back some, see how our Fibonacci, we thought price was going to go to take profit 6. See our trend line, and we had our trend line, we had our Fibonacci tool. Next level, and we know we trade from take profit level to take profit level. Take profit 7 was our next level. Our psychological level is take profit 6. This is why it's important to have your take profit levels, your psychological levels on your chart already, so you can we use everything to help us determine which direction the market is going in. Extremely important. As price did go all the way down to 0.382. Once it got to 0.382, we thought it was going to go to 0 and the 27 extension, take profit 6. It didn't. It consolidated at 0.382 for a little bit, and then pushed it all the way past take profit 7, and pushed it all the way up to take profit 8, and now we're at take profit 8. All right, gang, and in our next video, we'll be breaking this down. I'll show you exactly why this happened, and what I thought about this trade. I knew price was going to reverse, and I'll show you that price, we're still in an uptrend, and I'll show you that as well. All right, gang, so I hope these videos help. Your boy Nature, aka Nature, gang.